TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, good morning, folks. Oh, good afternoon for TFNN. As you can see, folks, we have taken out last week's low by quite a bit. Now we're looking at the 17th low. If we take that out, that's going to be, I think, quite significant, but we'll have to wait and see whether the market does it. We've come down 120 handles so far. This is the 4-hour chart on the E-mini S&P. And remember, this is only 2 days into this cycle, folks. If we switch this over and look at it on the hourly, you can see today that we completed several ABCDs down here at the exact 1.618 retracement. Then we've rallied up to the 382 here in the last 4 hours, and we're a little bit below that right now. If we close below here, this tells us that this market is in a little more trouble than people might want to think, but it's still very early in the cycle. Remember, we're only down 2 days from the high, so very few people are paying attention to this, but that's what we're paying attention to, so I'm keeping an eye on that to let you know what I see. Now, I highly recommend you go onto YouTube, go to stockcharts.com, and Larry Williams has a YouTube there, about 25 minutes. He goes over some cycle stuff that it is out of sight. You really need to watch it. He's got a huge audience, of course, and he's a really sharp guy. So it's Larry Williams at youtube.com through stock charts, and it gives you an idea of what he's looking at. And a couple of things is a potential top in gold and a potential top in stocks and a potential stop in Bitcoin. I don't mean stop, I mean a top, but if that is possible. Anyway, that's what we're looking at right here in the S&P. The reason why it's important now, folks, we've had tremendously bullish news here the last 2 days, and the market has reacted poorly to it. Again, the same thing. We had a report came out on GDP and something else, durable goods, extremely bullish. Just like we had one on housing yesterday. It was the best housing start for single houses in 9 months, up about 4 times what they were expecting, and yet the market sold off, and we're having the same thing happening today. So when good news hits and the bad news goes down, that means that's not a very good thing, because markets go up on news and down on news, and when they react differently to that, that's why it's so very, very important. Stan Harley will be our guest at the break, folks, so stay tuned.